Hey friends, welcome or welcome back. My name is Jeannie and this is Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks, where we do lots of beauty content, BoxyCharm and Ipsy, makeup hauls, makeup looks, makeup and skincare reviews, monthly giveaways, milestone giveaways, and speaking of giveaways, right now I do have a 500 subscriber giveaway open. It is a huge lot of amazing products featuring NARS, Marc Jacobs, Pacifica Beauty, Stila, Becca, Morphe, Jaclyn Hill, and on and on and on and on. It's really an amazing giveaway. It will be open until the last week in October. So if you want to get your entry, I'll leave it linked in the description box below. All you have to do is be subscribed here on my channel, join this beauty YouTube family, and then leave me a message on the video for the giveaway, which showcased all of the items in it. And then you've got your entry. Now, I am in this Halloween outfit. I just got done filming a Halloween mystery exchange box collaboration that I did with 5 other channels. It is going to air on the 15th of this month, and there's also a giveaway involved, not only from me and my channel, but from each of the channels involved. So you guys keep your eyes out for that. It's super exciting. You will not only have the chance to win the giveaway from my channel, but you would also be able to win the giveaway from any of the other channels involved. So all you'd have to do is be subscribed to those channels as well and watch that, their exchange video and enter their giveaway as well. So that is 6 giveaways that you would have the chance to win. So that is super amazing. So keep your eye out for that. But I'm just so excited for today's video. We are going to unbag my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. And I'm just going to be honest with you guys. If Ipsy does not do better, I'm going to be done with them. I'm literally thinking about canceling right now. But the good thing about Ipsy is you can pause bags. So if I keep seeing my options pop up, you're able to choose 3 out of your 5 products for Ipsy for the Glam Bag Plus. And I literally got no makeup. I got 1 primer, and that was the only makeup item that was offered to me. Everything was skincare. And it's just, now I love skincare. I absolutely love getting high-end skincare in my subscriptions because that means that I don't have to pay top dollar for it. And I'm 36 years old, so I love high-end skincare products. But honestly, my collection is starting to look like the skincare aisle at TJ Maxx. Like, you can only use so much so quick. And so I want some makeup products in my stuff. I want a good mix of skincare and makeup. So I went in and I updated my preferences and like how often I want to receive certain items. So hopefully next month they'll do better. I'm definitely going to give it a shot. But if not, I'm done with Ipsy. So if they keep continuing to offer me all of the same things over and over with no makeup even in my options, then that's it. But let's just go ahead and jump on into my Ipsy October bag. I will say that the little Santa sack this month is really cute. It's got the kind of like vampire fang and the lime green and the black. I really like this. And I do enjoy getting the little bags that you get with Ipsy. So you get the little smaller either zip or snap bag with the regular Glam Bag. And then you get the little Santa sack for the Glam Bag Plus. Now, these are all full-size items. They recently increased their price to $28. So with tax, that is $30 a month for the Glam Bag Plus. So, like I said, you're able to customize 3 items. This is one of the items that I did customize, and it is the only makeup item that I got. And I don't even know if it's like makeup. So it is the Ofra Cosmetics Cool as a Cucumber Primer. It was the only thing that they even offered me that was even close to makeup for my choices. So I did go ahead and get it. Now, I'll be honest with you, I love Ofra Cosmetics. I have several of their palettes. I love their highlights, but I have never owned any of their primers or anything like that. And I did go ahead and use it today. I liked it, but I don't know that I've ever had such a sticky face primer. It's very thick and sticky feeling, which is a really good thing when you want your foundation and all of that to stick and last all day. But I normally prefer more kind of like velvety to the feel primers where like you put it on your skin and it just goes on feeling like velvet and kind of just goes right into your skin and fills those pores and fine lines. I feel like the formula in this might have actually accentuated my pores a little bit. I don't know. But I do think that as far as gripping your makeup and stuff like that, that this would be a really good primer. But anyhow, so I was actually kind of excited to give it a try. I love primers. Like I said, I don't think that this will be like my go-to everyday new primer or anything like that, but I'll use it. Now, next, this was another choice item. Now, remind you, they literally gave me all skincare to choose from, so my only choice was which skincare out of the skincare did I want. So anyway, I do like this brand. This is Wander Beauty. This is their Staycation Hydrating Mask. So I have used a lot of their products through my BoxyCharm subscription mostly, but I have liked everything that I have tried so far. So I'm happy to give this a try. In fact, today for my blush and highlight, I do have their Wander Beauty On The Glow. And I want to say this is like nude and petal pink. And one side is a cream blush. She is extremely pigmented. And what I really like about this blush, you guys, is when you go to blend it in, it doesn't just disappear. Like it blends in really nicely and you still have a really good amount of pigment. And then it does also come with a highlight on the other side, also a cream highlight. Now, I did use both of them today, and today was the first time that I did actually use the highlight side on my highlight areas. And although I think it gives a beautiful glow, I think it texturizes a little bit too much for my liking. The cream blush does not. I think the blush is amazing, and I love using it. I think that the highlight side probably just isn't my favorite highlighting component that I own. So we'll just put it that way. But anyways, just thought I would share that since we were talking about Wander Beauty. And next, this was another, oh, actually, no, this was one of the ones that they gave to me. So they chose this for me. This is the Dermalect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. I have their Out Crease Serum from BoxyCharm. Absolutely love it. The packaging is identical to this, and I actually like the other one so much that when I saw it on BoxyCharm add-ons, I bought another bottle so that I would have a backup. So hopefully I will enjoy this one just as much. I don't think I'm going to open it right now because I've literally got so much skincare open that is going to all, things are going to go bad before I could use everything that I have open, and I don't like to be wasteful, especially when we're talking about expensive products. So I'm just going to hold on to it for a while. But I do have high hopes for it because the one thing that I have tried from the brand in the past, I really did enjoy and ended up buying another for a backup. So we will see. Now, this was another choice. And if you guys know me and you've seen my videos, you're going to be like, Jeannie, really? Okay, so this is the 111 Skin Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. So something, little information about this. It retails for $280. I do have it in my collection right now because I purchased it last month through Ipsy on my add-ons for the Glam Bag. Then they sent me the completely wrong Glam Bag. None of my stuff was the stuff that I was supposed to get except for my add-on. They got my add-on right. So anyways, they ended up sending me a replacement bag with all of the items that I was originally supposed to get. And then they sent me another one of my add-ons. So I actually have two of these. One that I'm using, one that's in backup. But when I saw that it was in my choice, I went ahead and grabbed another one anyways because it is $280 and I really thoroughly enjoy the product. It feels luxury. It does have scent to it, and I am normally somebody who prefers my skincare to be non-scented or very lightly scented, and I would say that this is a little bit on the heavier side with the scent, but it does smell good. I enjoy the smell of it, even though I don't necessarily like scents in my skincare. But for $280, and if I can like get it just in my bag, why not stock up on it? I already know that I really enjoy it. So, and then the last was the other product that I did choose, and it is the Context Beauty Carotene Recovery Treatment. This is a hair mask, and I'll be honest with you, I do not like getting hair products at all in my subscription boxes. I don't want them to send me any hair care products because I really don't use what I use on my hair. Like, I want to pick out for myself. I have very fine hair. It can, very fine but dry hair because I do bleach it, and I have been bleaching it for as long as I can remember. Since I was like 13 or 14, I've been going from a dark brunette to a blonde. So I have a lot of damage in my hair. Actually, recently, it feels a lot healthier and better. I have been using a product from Earth Harbor in my hair, and it works beautifully. But anyhow, the only reason that I really picked this, honestly, I think it had like a pretty decent, whoops, there we go, we're dropping stuff, a pretty decent retail value. I want to say like maybe like $35 or $38. And I do like to use hair things, but really the honest reason why I got this is because I didn't want anything else that I could choose from. So I don't know. I was really, really unhappy with my choice selections. They didn't give me much to be excited for. Like, I was like, normally when I see that my BoxyCharm or Ipsy bags have shipped out, I like can't wait for it to get here. I'm so excited. Like, I was like, oh, okay, it's shipped out, it's coming, it's on. I wasn't even excited, you guys, and if I'm gonna spend money, like, I want to be excited over it. So Ipsy, get it together or I'm out. Now, I do just want to mention really quickly, because I do get asked a lot what I'm wearing in my videos. For my eyeshadow today, I went in with the iconic London Sunset to Sunrise palette. I think this retails for about $60. I did pick it up off BoxyCharm add-ons. This is what it looks like. It looks to be like just a stunning kind of fall looking palette. It was the first time that I dipped into it, and I'll be honest with you, I was not impressed. I have a lot more eyeshadow palettes that I would reach for before reaching for this again, just because I really felt like I had to work for the color payout. I wasn't really that impressed with the formula. It seemed very powdery. For the shimmers, I ended up having to go in multiple times, even using my finger and a primer underneath, which, I mean, I just have a lot of other eyeshadows that perform a lot better than that. So why would I reach for that? Like, so I wasn't my favorite palette. I did kind of save the look though with this little e.l.f. guy. Now, this is extremely affordable. I think they're like $4 or $5. This is a stunning kind of like liquid glitter shadow. It is what I have like on my lid area, because I could not get the shimmers in that palette to like adhere to my eye and like stay. They would look good for a second and then it would just like dissipate. So I don't know what was going on with that palette. But like I mentioned, for blush and highlight, I did use the Wander Beauty On The Glow. This is the Nude and Petal Pink. And then for lips, I kept it very neutral with just a gloss. This is by Grandy Cosmetics. They make the eyelash serum that I've been talking about recently, the Lash Serum MD. This was sent over in PR for me to try out. And this is the first time that I used it today. I think it does have a gorgeous glossy finish, and it does have some plumping action. So this is their like lip plumper. It's got an interesting component. You pop the cap off and then you push from the bottom and it like clicks the liquid up through the top there with the slanted top. So definitely, I like this. I like it a lot, especially when you're just kind of keeping it simple with the look for your lips. And yeah, so that is what I used in my makeup look today. And that is what I got in my Ipsy October. And I'm not loving it. So anyhow, guys, that's going to be it for this video. And I will see you soon in my next video. I'm still waiting on my BoxyCharm PR and my BoxyCharm base box for the month of October. So hopefully I'll be getting those soon. I did find out that what happened and why I didn't get my BoxyCharm PR box in the beginning of the month with all of the other influencers and when they get theirs is because they forgot to put me on the automated mailing list, but they did fix that. So next month I will be able to come on in the beginning of the month and show you guys what we're getting in BoxyCharm. I am so excited for that. I promise that I will be on the first day that we're allowed, providing that I have my box, because I did say this last month and then I still don't have my box. So providing they fixed the problem, then I will be on here right away next month. And Hopefully I'll be on here with Ipsy too, as long as they don't continue to want to give me all skincare, like a whole bag of 5 skincare products. So I don't know. See you guys soon. Love you. Stay safe. Stay beautiful. See you in my next video. Bye.